Hello everyone, myself Ramcharan Sahu and my seminar topic is DSBSC modulation, that means double sideband suppressed carrier modulation. In this topic we will discuss about double sideband suppressed carrier modulation and mathematical expression, bandwidth and power calculation of DSBSC modulation and generation of DSBSC modulation. So let's start discussing about the DSBSC modulation. First is short definition of DSBSC modulation. The transmission of a signal which contain a carrier along with two sideband is called a double sideband suppressed carrier modulation system, as shown in figure. This is the figure of DSBSC modulation. In this figure, this is lower sideband and this is upper sideband, and this is position of a vector. This fc is frequency of carrier, and this is a minimum frequency, and this is maximum frequency. However, such transmission is inefficient because 2/3 of the power is wasted in a carrier, which carrier has no information. If the carrier is suppressed, and saved power is distributed to two sideband, lower sideband and upper sideband, then such a proceed is called DSBSC modulation system, right? Now we will discuss about the mathematical expression of DSBSC modulation. We know that the modulating signal is represented by MT is equal to EM cos omega MT. Let this be equation first. And the carrier signal is represented by CT equal to EC cos omega CT. Let this be equation second. Mathematically, we can represent the equation of DSBSC wave as the product of modulating signal and carrier signal. So DSBSC modulated wave ST is equal to MT into CT. Put the value of MT and CT from equation first and second. So ST is equal to EM cos omega MT into EC cos omega CT. Let this be equation third, right? Now we will discuss bandwidth of DSBSC modulation. So let's start bandwidth of DSBSC modulation. We know that the formula of bandwidth is BW is equal to F maximum minus F minimum. So let this be equation fourth. Consider the equation of modulation wave. Equation number third is ST is equal to EM EC cos omega MT into cos omega CT. And now ST is equal to EM EC cos this omega m. Since omega m is equal to 2 pi fm and omega c is equal to 2 pi fc. This omega m is angular velocity at the frequency fm, and this omega omega c is equal to angular velocity as the frequency fc. So we can write this equation in the form of st is equal to emec cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi fct. So st is equals to em upon e2 into 2 cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi fct. We multiplied in this equation, we multiplied by 2 upon 2. This term is form of 2 cos a into cos b. So cos a into cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. In this equation, this term is in the form of 2 cos a cos b. So 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So we will get st is equal to em ec upon 2 into cos 2 pi fc plus fm into t plus cos 2 pi fc minus fm into t. The DSBSC modulated wave has only two frequencies. First one is f maximum, x maximum is equal to fc plus fm, and second one is f minimum is equal to fc minus fm. Now from equation number 4th, bandwidth of DSBSC modulation is BW equal to fc plus fm minus fc minus fm. So bandwidth BW is equal to fc plus fm minus fc. This minus sign multiplied by this minus sign will plus sign. So plus fm plus fc and minus fc, that will get cancelled. So bandwidth is equal to fm and plus fm will 2 plus fm. This is the equation of bandwidth of DSBSC modulation. Okay, right? And let this be equation 5th. Now we will see that power calculation of DSBSC modulation. In this topic we discuss how to calculate the power of DSBSC modulation. So let's consider the this equation of DSBSC modulated wave. So st is equal to em ec upon 2 into cos 2 pi fc plus fm into t plus cos 2 pi fc minus fm into t. So now power of DSBSC wave is equal to sum of the power of lower sideband and upper sideband. So power of DSBSC modulated wave is PT is equal to PUSB plus PLSB. This PUSB is power of upper sideband and this PLSB is power of lower sideband. Here EUSB is equal to EM EC upon 2 upon under root 2 and ELSB is equal to EMEC by 2 upon root 2. Now the value of EUSB and ELSB both are same. So then PUSB is equal to PLSB is equal to EM into EC upon 2 by root 2 whole raised to the power 2 upon R. So EM square and EC square upon 8R. So power of DSBSC wave is equal to EM square EC square upon 4R. This value of PUSB and LSB putting in this equation. So we will get PT is equal to we will get PT is equal to EM square EC square upon 4R. This equation is a power of DSBSC modulated wave. Our next topic is generation of DSBSC modulation wave. In this topic, we discussing about the how to generate DSBSC wave. There are mainly two methods to achieve such a modulation. The first one is a balance modulator and the second one is a ring modulator. So we discuss first one is a balance modulator. In balance modulator, two AM modulator are connected in a balanced. This is the figure of balance modulator, and in this figure this is AM modulator first and this is AM modulator second, and this is modulating signal and this is DSBSC wave signal, and this S1T is output of upper modulator 1 and this S2 is output of lower modulator M2. Okay. The balance modulator consists of two AM modulator first and modulator second. These two modulators are connected in a balanced configuration. In order to suppress balance signal, hence it is called a balanced modulator. Now carrier signal CT is applied at the input of modulator, and the modulating signal is applied at another input of upper modulator AM, AM modulator first, and where is -mt is applied another input of lower modulator second. Hence the output of upper modulator is S1T is equal to EC into 1 plus K MT cos 2 pi FC T. Let this be equation 6. And output of lower modulator is S2T is equal to EC into 1 minus K MT cos 2 pi FC T. Let this be equation 7. From equation number 6 minus equation 7. From equation 6 minus equation 7. So we will get DSBSC modulated wave ST is equal to S1T minus S2T. So now ST is equal to E 1 plus KMT into cos 2 pi FCT minus EC into 1 minus KMT cos 2 pi FCT. So ST is equal to EC into 1 is equal to EC and EC into this term plus EC K MT cos 2 pi FCT and minus EC into plus 1 is equal to minus EC, and minus sign multiply this minus sign will plus sign. So EC into KMT cos 2 pi FCT. Now this plus EC and this minus EC that will get cancelled. So ST is equal to 2 EC KMT cos 2 pi FCT. Suppose that this term is equal to EC dash, so we get EC dash into MT cos 2 pi FCT, where EC dash is equal to 2 ECK. Our second method is ring modulator. The ring modulator can be designed with the help of 4 diodes in the form of ring to generate DSBSC modulation. This is the figure of ring modulator. In this figure, this is the modulating signal, this is carrier signal, and this is center topped transformer, and this is diode first and diode second, diode 3, and this is diode 4. And this is a curve of DSBSC modulation. In this curve, this is modulating, this is amplitude of modulating signal, and this is amplitude of carrier signal, and this is amplitude of DSBSC modulated signal. In the figure first, 4 diode D1, D2, D3 and D4 are connected in a ring. So this known as ring modulator. In this method, two center topped transformer 1 and 2 are used in modulation. The basis signal MT is applied at input transformer and the carrier signal applied at between two center topped transformer. During positive half cycle of signal, diode D1 and diode D3 are switched on, and diode D2 and diode D4 are switched off. In this case, signal is multiplied by +1. Inversely, the negative half cycle of signal, the diode D2 and D4 are switched on, and D1 and D3 are switched off. So in this case, signal is multiplied by -1. The result in 180-degree phase shift in the resulting DSBSC wave. If the carrier is square wave, this carrier is square wave, then the Fourier series represented of Ct is represented by Ct is equal to 4/pi summation n equal to 1 to infinity -1 raised to the power n-1 upon 2n-1 into cos 2 pi fct into 2n-1. So we will get DSBSC wave is St is equal to 4/pi summation n equal to 1 to infinity into n-1 raised to the power n-1 upon 2n-1 into cos 2 pi fc 2n-1 into t into mt, because St is equal to mt into Ct. This is the equation of DSBSC modulated wave through ring modulation.